PM. So when you come through, no more talking.
Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Kitty, aka the Sugar Daddy, aka the Girl Them Sugar, aka the Golden Boy, and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. Oh, Lord of mercy. Let's go.
Sugar daddy, yeah, Dilly dally, yeah.
Puff, puff, pass, my Mary Jane. I'm high on life, wanna meditate. So allow me, make I enjoy life. Cause problem not the finish, oh, eh. Every day different wahala. Problem not the finish, oh, eh. I just wanna party every day. I just wanna party every day. So pass me the dachi. Pretty girl, come wine pon the cocky. 10 toes, one girl, make it touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Pass me the dachi. Pretty girl, come wine. 10 toes, one girl, make it touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Shut up and bend over. Let your back do the
Everything that happens around me inspires me, to be honest. What we go through every day, relationships. You know, I'm a very good listener, so I listen to a lot of stories people tell me about what they go through in relationships. So I like to write stories about these things to make it relatable, of course. Childhood moments. I think the Kidda Fest days, you know, when I used to go to Kidda Fest and things, as a child, that was priceless, you know. Right now, maybe if I look at it, I'll be like, how was this thing so interesting to me? But at that time, it was really nice, and I would love to relive those moments. I think I was 15, 16, 17, around. I was in high school, yeah, so around that time, yeah. I'm passionate about sports. I like sports a lot. I do not miss, unless I'm not free, but if I'm free, I do not miss any match. Even if it's India and China playing, I'll still watch because I like football, yeah.
Sugar daddy. Honey, 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 honey,
What's that?
honey, honey, oh yeah, honey, honey. Somebody call the popo, me winning lotto. Say me I don't know, me yana, my yani don't know. Call the popo, me winning lotto. Say me I don't know, me yana, my yani don't know. Baby you be miracle, you give me loving way I never know. You give me loving way I never know. Baby you be miracle, you give me loving way I never know. Baby you be wonderful, you give me.
It's being on stage, obviously. That's actually my safe haven, apart from the studio, of course. When I'm on stage, I'm the happiest. Like, getting to sing, getting to get energy back from the crowd. It's just a priceless moment for me. It was a lot of, you know, different days, different moods, different faces, different emotions that I was going through. So at every point in time, whatever emotion I'm going through, I find the perfect beat that I can, you know, let out that emotion on. And I always say it's good to know how to play an instrument because it helps in the creative process. It helps in writing the music. Yeah, so basically, whatever emotion I was going through, I get on the piano, let it all out. Later get the beat that fits that emotion, put it on. So we recorded about 30 songs for the album and only 14 made it, so yeah. On camera, a lot of the studio sessions, some of them late into the night, like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in the morning, and the food we eat, the conversations we have before the songs, those are private conversations because it takes us in a certain direction that we want to go. And off the camera, well, it's the vulnerability in bringing out melodies, good melodies that fit the idea you're trying to put. All those moments come together to make that album process a very good one that I always remember.
Ricky Lord, Sugar Daddy. Arrest me, take me to prison. I'll give you 1 million reasons why you should be mine. You should be mine. You they make me go mental. Who name me chance and me tender. Oh baby, would you tell me why? You tell me why. Meradi, you are the woman that I need. I'll be the one man that you see. You set my heart on fire.
I think it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. People should listen and immediately be able to notice the growth of Kitty's music. And so far, the feedback has been amazing. It's been overwhelming, actually. The streams are going over the roof, and everybody's like telling me how amazing the album is for them. And it's always good to know that when you put out an album and people have different favorite songs, it tells you how amazing the album is because everybody's connecting differently to a different song. So I couldn't be more grateful and humble. That's a tough question, very tough, because like I said, I went through different emotions making all the songs. All the songs connect with me differently, so it'll be very tough. But if I have to choose gun to my head, it's between Mom Baby, Send Me Nudes, Dangerous, and Bad Things. Oh, Asemo. You see, right now, if I talk, it's like Kitty is arrogant. He's not humble. A lot of people are obsessed with humbling artists, you know, like, I made you who you are, so I cannot make you. To them, it's like, I can say whatever I want to you, I can insult you, I can insult your mother, but you dare not talk. If you talk, you are not humble. I made you who you are, I cannot make you, but it's not a fight. It's not deep. It's not personal. I believe we all preach support your own. When artists are doing something, we ginger artists to do more, record more, perform more, do live shows. Say on a Thursday night, you bring your loved ones, your friends, you know, come and watch a live concert, enjoy the night. It's beautiful. About the ticket prices, I would still say that it's like walking into a supermarket. And when you go into a supermarket, there are biscuits lined up on the shelf. There's a 500 cedis biscuit, there's 300 cedis biscuit, there's 100 cedis biscuit, there's 50 cedis biscuit, there's 10 CD biscuit. And it's like walking into the supermarket and saying, how dare you people have a 500 cedis biscuit? How dare you, when did you open the shop to have 500 biscuits? When there is 300 biscuit, there is 200, there is 10 CD biscuits. You see, the prices, we are saying that this is a package. There are options. You could go for this, you could go for this, you could go for this. I'm not saying that by force everybody should go for 15K or 8K. The prices, that's why it's different packages. So it's as simple as going for what you want, going for what you can afford. I'm not here to lambast anybody or fire back at anybody. It's a show, it's all positivity. I'm trying to even be in positive spirit to perform. So if I'm inviting you to my show and you want to come, there are different packages for everyone. Just get the one that you think you can afford and come and let's have a good time. It's very simple, you get me? But obviously people are focused on that 15K and, you know, throwing trash and shot at me. It's uncalled for, you know, it's very uncalled for. But it is what it is. People will always say what they want to say. If I talk back, I'm rude. If I talk back, I'm arrogant. But I'm just trying to explain that a different packages into choose the ebe fetel na tokeke na bra na NG. It's simple. Yeah, I think so. I think 4 awards is not easy to get, so I'm grateful for that. And it also shows that the year 2020 was actually a very great year for Kiddy. So yeah.
I go kill you with enjoyment, 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 enjoyment. I go kill you with sugar daddy. Shaky for daddy, yeah. Sing for you like Doremi, give you loving Mokobi, oh baby, they won't find me yo, Makuma Suadio, I don't want me pour me the NT all day, they won't find me yo, when they feel bad yo, yeah, all day I no go play with your love. Oh darling, you give me joy, joy, joy. You give me joy, joy, joy. I go kill you with enjoyment, enjoyment, enjoyment.
Obviously, I've always said that one of my biggest goals is to make Kiddy, the brand Kiddy, bigger. Sound-wise, brand-wise, everything-wise, I want Kiddy to be bigger. I want my songs to go to places that it hasn't been. I want new fans around the world. I want the Kiddy fan base to grow around the world. So that's actually one very important goal for me. By December 2021, I want to look back at the backlogs and see that yes, Golden Boy album came and actually brought new fans into Kiddy to add to the old ones. Yeah. This is something that I've always said that I wanted to have an impact way beyond music. I'm still in the process of figuring out where I want to fit in and what exactly I want to do impactfully apart from music. So I'm still on that path of discovery. Currently, it's just about promoting the Golden Boy season. And although I've already started working on the next album, but that's like on the side. But right now I'm just promoting everything. Right now is about Golden Boy. Kiddy Live with Kiddy 29 July is coming as well at Coco Vanilla, and we'll be performing for the first time songs of the Golden Boy album. So I entreat everybody, again, buy what you can afford. There's 100 Ghana tickets for regular tickets. Unless you don't want to come, then that's actually fine. But if you want to come, please do buy what you can afford and come and let's have a good time. I really appreciate it.
Sugar daddy.
It's BK Soul from
I got a girl, she a London thing. She wanna roll and smoke one thing. I want to give her a diamond ring, but she say other girls like mine thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Hop on the wagon, baby say vroom vroom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make I see, take a picture. I rap on your thing, but we move. Even you where they catch my cruise. You know the vibes, you know the groove. Only why they miss my boo. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. When we done we go home and boom boom. Hop on the wagon. Baby say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make I see, take a picture. Say cheese.
My phone. Yeah, it really helps me in awkward situations. Like every time I face an awkward situation, the only thing that got me out was my phone. I just go on my phone and pretend to be scrolling or texting somebody. It always saves me. So yeah, my phone. Probably now, maybe I'm rusty now, but I probably would have been running for Ghana, Olympics, 400 meters, yeah. Oh, obviously there will be a change. If there is no change, I'll be worried. It means people don't really love Key like they say they do, but sometimes I don't even want to call it hit on. I see all of these things as love, people appreciating the love, appreciating the music I do and who I am. So I don't call it people hitting on me or worrying me. No, I don't like to say it that way. I like to say people just showing love. Yeah. I don't particularly use it to get. It's just that sometimes it happens that because people kiddie, you have money free. Sometimes it happens, but I don't particularly use it to get. Yeah. It's the same thing. They be a kiddie and this girl are doing this, kiddie and this girl are doing that. Yeah, mumpe agenda crowd.
Sugar daddy, oh Lord of mine. They call me girl them sugar, yeah.
Girl them sugar. They call me the girl them sugar. Big daddy, girl them sugar. They call me girl them sugar.
If you like, I go be a fine doctor, eh. I know baby, me wow Dr. Pani, eh. Say if you like, I go be a fine lawyer, eh. And I be me my cuts rising. I go be the sugar in your cocoa, butter in my bread. Mama give me cocoa, give me ginger. I go be the sugar in your cocoa, butter in your bread. Mama give me cocoa.
I don't believe in any kind of curse. Not even just, I don't believe. There's always, before I went to MTN Hitmaker, before I went to talent show, there was a curse that anybody who wins talent shows, nothing ever comes out of their life. But I won, and then look at me now. So I never believe in curses. Yeah, the God I serve is bigger than any curse. Boom.
Only me and you together.
24 hours on an island with a Ghanaian female celebrity. Who would it be? Wow. Island. I'll probably choose Yvonne Nelson. Just because she has an island. So this is the island and let's just go chill. Let's just go chill on the island, so. Tattoos when I met people. Yeah, I've explained my tattoos. This I'll clean it. If one day you get them, I'll clean my tattoos. I have 16 tattoos now. All of them have, obviously significant meanings to my life, my friends, and all of that. It's about my music, my son, my mom, my emotions, things I go through every day. So yeah, it centers around all these things.
Oh nana,
Deep there.
sunny days, holidays. Everything I want is a mile away. Me and Zane, aeroplanes, chilling on an island far away. I'm just searching for the pot of gold. Holy water upon my head to toe. I know they live my life for sure. Promise I get love for my friends and foes. I just put in work. Swear while I know the bad. I'm just chasing checks. Want a good life for my family. Yes. But you know I'm only human, eh? Lord have mercy on me. I just wanna wake up every day with the heart of a golden boy.
So when you come through, no more talking. We going straight to the sexing. So right now while we texting, my baby send me nudes. My baby said you know I'm in the mood, yeah. What's up guys, your boy Kiddy, aka the Sugar Daddy, aka the Golden Boy. Catch me on Friday on MX24. Oh Lord of mercy. Let's go.